This is a tour of room 28112 in the Royal Tower in Excalibur, Las Vegas. So coming into the room, it actually looks quite musty, but it's not as bad as what it actually looks. I know it's an old hotel, but it's pretty decent, this room. Coming into the bathroom, a very, very large mirror, and I do like these large mirrors because they really make the whole bathroom a bit brighter. The sink area and this whole area here is very clean and tidy. I couldn't really find any fault with it at all. The toilet in the middle of the bathroom does always seem very strange to me, but it is what it is. The shower, although a little bit dirty on the shower head, it wasn't as bad as I was expecting, and it was fairly clean and shiny. The whole area of the shower cubicle was clean as well. Again, I expected it to be a lot dirtier than what it is. It's not the best, but it's pretty decent for what you get. Coming back into the main area of the room, you have a connecting door here if you have someone else staying next to you. And in here we have the safe, which unfortunately was broken on this instance. I had to go down and get the battery changed for it. And over this side you have some more area to put your clothes in, and you also have an ironing board if you need to use it. A full-sized mirror here so you can take a look at yourself before you head on out. And overall, as this is a two-queen room, it does feel a little bit more cramped than when you get a king room, but they are pretty much the same size. The beds, not the most comfiest beds I've ever had in a Las Vegas hotel, but they're certainly good enough. An alarm clock there for some reason, as well as the telephone. A nice large flat screen TV, which is good to see because that feels a bit more modern in this room. There used to be a fridge in here many years ago, but I think you still can rent a refrigerator from downstairs if need be. Plenty of space to store your clothes and whatever else. I think there's 6 drawers in total. A workspace area over here, so if you're doing any work on a laptop or anything, you can sit there. You got your ice bucket as well as a couple of plastic cups. The aircon in here is the old type and it can be a little bit noisy. This lamp unfortunately didn't work. The view in this particular room, as I was quite high up, I think I was on the top floor. I believe 28th floor is the highest you can get here. But the view is absolutely fantastic. A lot of rooms in Excalibur generally do have a really nice view, whether it is this one looking up towards the strip or whether it's the front. But overall, the room is probably the best Excalibur room that I've actually stayed in. So if you're looking for a cheap room in Vegas, this one might be perfect for you.